Hi guys, just looking at a couple of the dead ESCs that I've got. This one, I'm not quite sure what's wrong with it, but I had a big red cross written on it, indicating it didn't work properly. This one, I think we got a fair idea that that particular component has overheated. So I'm just wondering whether I can desolder that one, solder it on there, and we might get a working ESC. Might. So I think I'll give that a try. Well, I've got the old one off. In fact, it just disintegrated when I put a bit of pressure on it while I was trying to desolder it. So that's off. I'll clean that up a little bit, and then we'll see if we can desolder the other one from the other ESC. I don't have one of those heat guns, so I just put lots of solder on it and it's come free. Well, that's certainly not pretty soldering. I'll have to get in a bit close and make sure I haven't got anything shorted out, and then we'll give it a try. Well, that's really annoying. I connected the battery before switching the camera on. It just blew a hole straight in it, straight away. So there's obviously a different problem in there. It wasn't just that at fault. Oh, that's a shame. Missed that because a real spark shot out of there. We can see the hole, but that clearly wasn't the only problem. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.